I'll tell you. Who's a man? Who's a man? Who's a man? Who's a man? Ngizokupha 10 rand. Who's a man? Ngizokupha elinye wings elingababi. Who's a man? Who's a man? Who's a man? King Ginger Cream de la Cream, welcome back to another one. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. And what I do, I'm giving away inyungu bafethu. If you're in Johannesburg, South Africa, make sure that you meet up with me. Ngizogaya inyungu. Baba wami, ngiyabashekela.
Ngiyabashekela mpilami.
Awuthike simsethele umamazi. In the right, this is the bomb. Don't try this at home. You're gonna die. That is shit. Kawuthi ngendaba nani nina manje la. Yami le mali le.
Aw saka!
Indaba. Uready? Amungekho ready sisukume. Yeah, usukume. All right, guys. King Ginger Cream de la Cream in Twana nje King Indofu. Welcome to it. I'm back at it again. Mtakama, awusabu pelepele.
Hayi.
Awisabi into babayo. You ready? Time, are you ready? Ngizokutshela mase ngithi start. All right, uzizwa njani?
Ngizizwa nje nginalokho.
Naloko kuthuka ne? Kodwa wena upelepele into oyijwayele.
Yeah, ngashasha.
All right. Upelepele into oyijwayele. 4 3 2 1 10 minutes start now. Let's go. Ngasabi mamazi, ngasabi. Take your time. Take your time. 100 rand ukhona bafethu. Uma ungeke ukhona kunankinga awuthami ngizocela kancane. Yeah, uzongena khuleka. Cela siqede ngale episode. Kancane. Oh, khuleka 10 minutes mude. Take your time udle kahle nje. Ngatatazeli. Makuthi awuphuza amanzi kuze kuphela 10 minutes. I'm giving you this 100 rand. I can't. Take your time. Ungayithinta amehlo ne? Yeah. Buka segcwele ichili ngisho on your forehead. Hletha mshana mhlethani. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, yummy ne? Yeah, yummy. Ama wings nje bafethu. Ama wings nje ngikuphi imali. How do you feel? The yummy.
Don't think about it.
Yenza njani la? It's a yo. Injani. How are you feeling? Do you want water? No, amanzi akhona. Ungawaphuza amanzi akunankinga. Do you want to drink water? gLiTtv mntanami, this is the bomb. Ungakaklaki. Ungakashiti. Talk to me. Yashisa ne? Hayibo. Akaze ne? Yo. Wenza njani uyacha? Yenza njani mntase? Ungayithinti amehlo ne? Please. You know the story. We eating chili. Asusabu pelepele. It's about that time. Like it. Yeah. But at least the piece enkulu yeswini yabo. How do you feel now? You still going? Awafuna amanzi kancane. Ngithengele ini ibisi. Yenza nje. Let me see your tongue. Hayibo. 100 rand. Manje nje uyothenga 6 pack udakwe cash bathi unu cash yeah bathi ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngangiphe kona asambe sobabona ayipheli ne Sam, you almost there. Take your time. You almost. What's in the middle? No. No eyes. Whoa. Don't rush. Let's go. Bite. Yeah, I'm niggy wiper for this. Bite. One more bite. One. Me?
Girl, you can do it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Bite. One more bite. Nah, man, this is icon and then you withdraw. Nakali, sondela. Nakali, ngicela ukubona lapha. Hayibo, anisuke ngapha. Bite. Take your time. It's yummy, ne? Yeah, awakho. Ungayithinti ihlo, please. Leyo thisha ngisayithembi.
Kanjani ithuklayile?
Yeah, because manje uyithinte ngala, uzosula ngala, afake nangala. Uyaqeda. One more bite. Bite. Utiva unjani? Push, mama, push. See the scat lap. 5 minutes. You still have time. Akhona manzi. Mawufuna ukuwaphuza singayiqeda manje lento vele uphuza amanzi. Ngithatha 100 rand. Awusuyapusha ke manje. Push! Yeah! Who's a man? Idle kahle ungayilashi, idle kahle. Nyama. Ungakhali. No, put a man. Push. You can do it.
Let's go. 3, 2.
Aibo. I'll tell Who's a man? Who's a man? Ngizokupha 10 rand. Phuza amanzi. Ngizokupha elinye wings engababi. Phuza amanzi. 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 You can do it. You can do it. No. Aphuze mfethu. Aphuze. Abamba wena. Abamba. Hold this. Ungayithinti ihlo. Hold your water. Ungayithinti lihlo. Woo! The bomb. You'll get it on second note. You 800 in the bottle. 8 clippers. Come on, you can do it. Hold on for 1 minute, few seconds, and then you're done. I give you your money. 1 minute, few seconds. Ik klap hem. Ik klap hem. Soweto. Sithini isikhathi sithi phuza amanzi. Yewena uzophuza amanzi. Yewena uzophuza amanzi. Yewena
1 minute.
Are you ready to count down?
Yes.
Are you ready to count down for her? Yes. All right. Mfethu ngicela uphuza amanzi ngizokupha 20 rand. Ngisacela uphuza amanzi okungcono ngizokupha noma u10 rand. Ngiyacela phuza amanzi.
No.
Ngiyacela mfethu ungawaphuza manje.
No.
Ungaphuza manje.
Chingisa.
Okay, uma uphuza amanzi yazi ngizokwenzani? Ngizokukhapha uyekini. Are you ready? Yes. Phuza amanzi. Aphuze. gLiTtv, bafethu, we are giving away money. Let's count the fair to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kwenzakalani? How do you feel?
Baba yonke indawo.
Baba yonke indawo. Yonke indawo ke baba. Neku bayizame. Uthini kolandelayo azame.
Hayi.
Yenza njani? Kuyashisa. Kuyababa. No. Kwenza njani? Yini ofuna ukuyithenga khona izokwenza ukuthi ungasababeli?
Angazi.
What you gonna buy with your money?
Angazi.
Awazi ne? Umngane wakho omunye ezongena. Umngane wakho omunye ezongena.
Baba letho yo.
Guys, I'm doing a show. After this, I'm gonna make sure that I come to you and you. Can I finish this episode? Yes. How do you feel?
Hayibo. Ngishona.
Yenza njani?
Yashisa.
Indlebe ne? Yonke indawo. Inyawo.
Yabo kokala.
Yeah. Ikaka ne? Yachisa. Kuleka, my sister. Thank you so much for participating, and please go kwa Mike uyithengela anything oyifunayo ne?
Danko.
Yabo cool. Thank you so much. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. It's going crazy. Ungayithinta amehlo. My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana seking indovu. I'm giving away money. If you also want to participate, make sure that you subscribe on this #1 channel at gLiTtv. King Ginger ukhona bafethu. Intwana nje yaseking indovu. There are many people that want to participate. I don't mind. Ama wings akhona zizokhala. But for now, let me love and leave you. It's Bibli King.